friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is last day of 7 days weight loss meal plan series and it has finally come to an end. In this video, in this series, I was just trying to show you how we can eat healthy instead of doing a yo-yo diet, starving ourselves, or instead of getting stuck with all the numbers. We just have to keep it simple. We just have to eat until we are satisfied but not too much full. If you are feeling hungry, you can have food. You can have all the natural food products such as nuts, oil, seed, butter. I prefer ghee or butter instead of refined oil. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out my whole week's healthy meals and snacks, and do watch this video till end. I'll be giving more tips and tricks of healthy eating and how to adapt healthy lifestyle. Guys, I'm not at my goal weight. Again, I do tend to struggle with water retention, a lot of hormonal imbalances, but I think we have to work our way around it. Instead of saying, oh, I've got PCOS, I can't lose weight. That's not true. We have to try hard. We have to keep going. We have to encourage ourselves, push ourselves, motivate ourselves to keep going and getting closer to our goal. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video.
So in the morning, I'll start my day with my detox drink. This will help me flush out all the toxins and boost my metabolism, kickstart my metabolism to start working, and also it will help me keep myself hydrated. Then I'm going to make a peach smoothie for my breakfast. This peach smoothie is made with 2 ripened peaches, a teaspoon of peanut butter powder, 1 scoop of collagen protein powder with some almond milk and some water, and blend it all together to make it into a nice smoothie, and my delicious breakfast smoothie is ready. I like to have smoothies for my breakfast because it keeps me full for longer and I don't have to cook early in the morning, and sometimes I don't feel like having a full heavy breakfast, so I go for my protein smoothies. If you like to have something more like a breakfast, a proper warm breakfast, go ahead and make something healthy like a mushroom toast, some beans, some toast and some bread. For my lunch, I'm going to make a warm salad. I don't feel like having anything cold today, so I'm going to make it into a warm salad, having 1 bell peppers, half yellow, half red, with some zucchini and half a boiled potato. I'm going to toss all that into a non-stick pan with 1 tablespoon of water, not oil. I'm making it healthy, no oil. I'm not including any oil at all. The only thing you need to be careful with, do not cook the veggies because it's salad, not a stir fry. So only warm it up for about 2 minutes and then add Himalayan sea salt, pink Himalayan sea salt with some black pepper. Garnish it with whatever you prefer. You can use oregano, lemon juice, garlic powder as well. To spice it up a little bit, I'm adding some chili sauce. I've also got 1 piece of tofu to add more, a little bit more protein. I'm going to crush it out all into the salad before having it. After my breakfast, I was of course hungry because the salad is not enough. So what I'm going to have is a boiled potato sliced, adding some chili sauce and some chaat masala. This you can also use a mango powder. It will actually give you very tangy, soury, spicy flavor. If you like any other sauce, your favorite sauce, go ahead and use it, and try to use oil-free sauces. If you want, you can also use oil-free chutneys. I've got the recipes in my channel. I will leave the link in the description box for you guys. I also paired my potato slices chopped with this herbal tea. This is a rosehip and hibiscus herbal tea, which I actually really enjoyed. Then for my snack time in the evening, I had 1 cup of a vegan almond milk tea with 2 to 3 small little pieces of jalebi. Jalebi is an Indian sweet. It's very sugary because it's soaked in a sugar syrup, and that was enough, to be honest. And for my dinner, I had this chickpea soup. It's only 1 ingredient chickpea soup and I absolutely love it. This is not the canned chickpea. These are proper dried chickpeas that you would cook them in an either instant pot or a pressure cooker or even open pan, but it will take a lot longer. For this, I have not thrown away the water that I boiled these chickpeas in. Instead, I'm using it as a soup. So I added some chickpeas, some black pepper powder, some pink Himalayan salt, and have it as my dinner soup. This is absolutely delicious, and also the health benefit of this soup is that it's going to relieve you if you have a constipation. Along with this healthy soup, I had little bit of naughty snacks, which was 2 corn nuggets with 1 corn fillet finger with little bit of sauce. So guys, this was my full day meal plan. It was very simple, very realistic, and if you like my video, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'll be coming back with lots of meal plan videos. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.